Hi, Akash again from Wade Labs, and in today's web design tutorial, let's take up images. An image is a powerful tool in web design. It very well could be worth a thousand words. Be it for backgrounds, previews, or carousels, they add life to what would be a mundane read. They can get quite tricky though while using in your apps. There are so many tags to choose from and they need to be responsive. Well, let me show you how we have simplified it in Studio. Here's our empty canvas on the mockup screen in Studio. We have the image in the data display section. I'll drop that for you. Now here is everything you need to render and customize your images. If I pull up the size, you see that you start off with a sample image. That is a neat plugin to our concierge service, in which along with Studio, you also get the team that built it. Reach out to us if that's what you need. But for your image element, just update the URL with your image and it should start rendering. Let me show you. Let's say we go to Unsplash and choose this all. I could just copy image URL and paste it right here and get the updated image. Now, an optional prop for images is the alt text, and we often end up neglecting it, and that in turn reduces our SEO scores significantly. The alt text helps to increase the accessibility of the content in your app. While an image is hard to perceive by crawlers or screen readers, the alt text describes the image and makes it easier to understand. So for this image, let's have it say an owl from Harry Potter. There we go. Now going with the trendier curves, we could choose a radius for your image. Let's say 3XL. That looks good. And if you still want more, you could go ahead and embed CSS level styles directly into the element from these props. You could add shadows to elevate your images and add paddings or margins as required in your designs. Check it out for yourself and let us know what you build. The app is live at studio.wadelabs.com and we'd love to hear from you about it. Until then, bye.